If you're trying to make your Android camera look more sharp and professional but not getting good results, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to enhance camera quality on Android so your photos and videos look much better instantly. There are a few things we must consider before shooting. As of now, you can see my camera result is blurry and we will fix it. The first thing we mostly ignore is to clean our camera lens properly. It will remove dust particles and will clear your camera lens. The second thing is go to your camera settings. Here you will find an option as high efficiency video mode. Simply enable it and it will improve more. Also enable show dirty lens wearing. And the third one is shoot in the highest quality possible. Like my phone has capability to shoot in 4K, which will give me even more accurate results. That's it for today's video. If this helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.